I got to know that the Solapur bound Gol Gumbaz Express will be coming with a single cab BMD, that too in Longwood front. I initially thought of going to a good location on the Mysore Bengaluru line, but due to work could not do that. I finally decided to head to Malleshwaram to spot the train around 7 and if lucky, a parallel action with the Karwar bound Panchganga Express, as both the trains have same departure time at KSR Bengaluru city, that is 1850 hours. This video shows the trains captured in the process of spotting the Gol Gumbaz Express. I reached Malleshwaram at 1828 hours and spotted the late running Indupur special first. Announcements were being made at the station indicating that the Arsikare passenger will be making its way soon and the platform has been changed from platform number 1 to platform number 2. You can see people jumping tracks to change the platforms. First surprise spotting twin electric locomotives, WAP7 pulling a dead WAP4 towards Yeshwanthpur. Before coming, I checked the weather update and indicated no rain for the day and the night. So I came just with the camera to the station and at 7 it started to rain. I had to shelter myself and I found a shelter near the tree. Now I was getting ready to spot the Arsikare special. The second surprise spotting happened now. Heard a honk from behind. It was a diesel coming towards me and it turned out to be the late running Vishwamanava Express. Once again, there was an announcement at the station indicating that the Arsikare passenger special will be coming on platform 1. So people jumped down the tracks again to change the platform. If not for the stop, Arsikare passenger special would have had a perfect parallel run with the Panchganga Express. Time was around 7:20 and I knew who would be coming next. The superstar of the Bengaluru Hubli line, Vande Bharat Express. After Vande Bharat, I decided to walk towards the other end of the platform so that I can capture the single cab EMD locomotive with the Gol Gumbaz clearly. But as I was making my way, I heard an electric honk, so stopped and started recording. This happened to be the most unexpected spotting of the night.
ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಬೆಲೆ ಇನ್ನು ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕೂ ಬೆಲೆ ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಮೂಟೆ ಅನ್ನ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ದುಡ್ದಿರೋ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಡು ಪ್ರಸಾದ ನಮಗೆ
"14 hours late running Rajdhani Express." I checked on the status and got to know that the train was diverted, and the reason being overflowing of water near Kazipet. The train would have arrived around 8 in KSR Bengaluru. Generally, the Rajdhani is supposed to depart by 8, and I checked on the outgoing Rajdhani, which was rescheduled. This rake has to undergo maintenance and hence the rescheduling. With this shock, I forgot all about Gol Gumbaz, and to my surprise, by the time I realized, I saw the headlights of the train coming in. Unfortunately, I was at such a place where people are walking and I couldn't capture the way I wanted, which did end up disappointing me. I'm pretty sure you'll understand what I mean on seeing the video. I hope you all enjoyed this Kutty story. If you did, do drop a like, and if possible, do share the video as well. See you soon.